Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for mathematics online class. Today we shall begin new exercise in mathematics, that is exercise 5.4. For this you can refer to page number 93 in your textbook. Your question number 1, which of the following questions have like decimals? So first of all I would like to explain you what are like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals are the numbers that have same number of decimal places. It means that decimal places is the number of digits after the decimal point. Now unlike decimals are the numbers that have different number of decimal places. Now let's see here which of the following questions have like decimals. Now see here, like decimals, as I already told you, are the numbers that have same number of decimal places, and unlike decimals are the numbers that have different number of decimal places. Now here question number 1a. This is whole number, this is decimal point, and this is decimal number. Here, this decimal point separates the whole number from the decimal number part. 18.74. 1, 2. 2 digits after the decimal point or 2 places. Here, this is whole number 6.92. Here also 2 digits after decimal point 1, 2 or 2 places. Here 679.19. Here also this number also has 2 digits after decimal point or 2 places. Here this, that means they have same number of digits after decimal point. So these are like decimals. We'll simply write like decimals. These numbers are like decimals. Now next your question number B. 9.124. 3 places or 3 digits after the decimal point. Here 17.9. Here 386.89. Here 2 places or 2 digits after decimal point. So these numbers are unlike decimal. We'll simply write unlike decimals. Now next question number 2. Convert the following unlike decimal into like decimal. Like decimals are the numbers that have same number of decimal places, or the decimal places means the number of digits after the decimal point. Now A here 1.834. Here 564.6. 13.82. Here this number 1.834. This number has greatest number of decimal places. After decimal 3 digits 1, 2, 3. This number has greatest number of decimal places. So we'll write 1.834. We'll convert this also 564.6. Now how to write? In 100 place we'll write 0. In 1000 place also 0. Now it became like decimals with this number. Another number here 13.82. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. So we have converted these numbers into like decimals. Now similarly B here 829.56, 775.7, 2.5. this number has greatest number of decimal places, 2 places or 2 digit after decimal point. So 829.56 in 10 place 5, in 100 place 6. So here another 775.7. So 100 plus 0, 2 digit. Here 2.50. Now after decimal point, see 1 to 2 digit after decimal point, 2 digit after decimal point, 2 digit after decimal point. Now we have converted this into this unlike decimal into like decimal. Now next you write greater than, less than or equal sign. We always turn pointed and towards the lesser or smaller number. Now first one here 29.5. Here 729.5. And this one is less than this one. This 29.5 is less than 729.5. We'll always turn pointed and to the smaller number. This one is smaller, so this pointed and we'll write this. This 29.5 is less than sign, is less than 729.5. Now here, next, say 56.11000. We can put any number of 0 after decimal point. 56.100, 56 point, we can put any number of 0. So it is valued as this. These two are equivalent decimals. These two decimals have same value. Equivalent decimals means numbers that have same value. So here we will write equal sign. Now D here 134.97. Here also whole number same 134, 134. So we will compare the first digit after the decimal point. Decimal point here, decimal point here. First digit here 9, here 8. So 9 is more than 8. So 134.97 is greater than 134.87. So if you get two decimal numbers, if their whole numbers are same, we'll compare the first digit after decimal point as you have seen here in this case. Here 9 first digit 8 after decimal point first digit is 9, here 8. So this 9 is greater than 8. So 134.97 is greater than 134.87. So we'll always turn pointed and to the smaller number. This one is smaller. Pointed and turn towards this smaller number. 134.97 is greater than 134.87. Now next here E. 843.8. 843.1699. See here, whole number same. As I already told you, you have to compare the first digit after the decimal point. Here 8, here 1. So 8 is greater than 1. So this one is greater than 843.619. Now next here question number 4. Which number is different from the rest in each of the following? 0.42, 0.24, 0.420, 0.4200. This one is the odd one. The rest are like decimal, equivalent decimal. This one 0.24 is the different from the rest. The rest are equivalent decimals. Right here, rest are equivalent decimals. Rest are equivalent, equivalent equivalent decimals. The question number 5. Here, question number 5. Find the largest number in each of the following. Largest number. A. 5.3, 5.93, 5.39, 5.4, 5000000. Now here whole number is same. 5. So we'll compare if the whole numbers are same, we'll compare the first digit after the decimal point. Here 3, here 9, here 3, here 4. So this is the largest. 5.93 is the largest number. Now next here, B, C. 2.8, 2.0008, 2.3, 2.24. Now first whole number same here, 2. For first digit 8. After decimal first digit 8. Here 0, 3, 2. So this one is the greatest. 2.8 is the greatest number or largest, or you can write what is the largest. Is the largest number, largest or greatest number. Now we have question number 6. Write the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. As you can see here, number A, 18.34, 2.9, 5.934, 4.0, 16.2. First we'll compare the whole numbers of this decimal number. So here ascending order means smaller to greater. Here whole number 18, this is 2, 5, 4 and 16. Here this is 18, 2, 5, 4, 16. So smallest number is here 2.9. We are arranging the numbers from smaller to greater or in ascending order. 2.9 is the smallest number among this number. After that 4.0. Second one is 4.0. After 4, 5.934. Then which one is smaller, 18 or 16? 16. So next is 16.2. Last one is 18.34. 18.34 is the greatest or the largest number among this number. While we are arranging this number in descending order, first we have to write this one, then next this. We can reverse it. Now next here, B, 634. First we will compare the whole numbers of this decimal number. 634. 634, 634, 634. All these decimal numbers have same. Decimal numbers have same whole number. Here 634, 634, 634, 634. As they have same whole number. So after that, we'll compare the first digit after decimal point. Here 0.7. 0.7. All this number they have same digit in the first digit after the decimal places or decimal point. Now 7 is same here. First 10th place 7. Now second one, we'll compare the second digit after decimal point or the digit in hundredth place. 9, 9, 9, 9. Second digit after decimal point is also same. Now last one we will change, third digit. Here 3, 9, 8, 7. So 3, this is the smallest number. This one is the smallest. 634.793. Now next here 3, 9, 8, 7. 634.797. This one is the second smallest number. 634.797. Now after that, third one is this one, 7, 8. So 634.798. And the last is 634.799. Now count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next here, write the following in descending order. Descending means greater to smaller. You have to arrange these numbers from greater to smaller. Now here A. First we'll compare the whole number. 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. All these decimals numbers, they have same whole number. So first we'll compare the first digit after decimal point. Here 1, here 9, here 2, 8, 0. This one. What comes before 1? 0. This one is the smallest number. 35.03. What comes after 0? 1. So this one is the second. We are arranging the greatest. We are arranging descending order. We are arranging the number from greater to smaller. 1, 9, 2, 8. This one is the greatest number. 35.9. Second one, 8, 35.89. After it is just 7. 9, 8, then 9, 8, that's 3. 35.25, then 35.13, and the last one 35.03 is the smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next question number B. 139, 139, 139, 139, 139. Now they have same whole number. Now next step will compare the first digit after the decimal point. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In 10th place, all of them have 0. In 100th place, second digit after the decimal point. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. In 100th place, they have same digit, that is 4. In 1000th place, 3, 1, 9, 7, 2. This one is the greatest number. 139.049. After 9, this 139.047. After 7, this one 139.043. Then this one 139.042. And the last one is this one 139.041. You can write this way also. Instead of this putting this sign, we'll write this. This is greater than, no? This way also we can arrange. We are arranging the descending order. This way also. We can do this way also. Instead of this semicolon, we'll write this. Okay? Let's do not confuse. We are arranging your ascending order this way. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.